Sorry, Ben. Listen to Mikey.
Thank you! Thank you! You know what? Yes! A dog barked. He wants to do me. The dog wants me. At least somebody wants me. Yeah! Yeah!